So Burger King just did something really weird and they released mozzarella fries. Yeah, these are different from their mozzarella sticks. I don't even know if mozzarella sticks are still on the menu, but these are a little bit bigger. All right, these are better than the mozzarella fries. Their sticks. The mozzarella sticks are always warm, cold, and they're a little bit smaller, so they seize up very easily, like the cheese inside. This is a little bit bigger, so the cheese is way more stringy. This is a winner. It's distinct enough from, say, one you get from Arby's too. It's not like a thick one, it's instead a longer one. I really like this addition. So much better than the regular mozzarella sticks that Burger King has. Then again, maybe I just got a fresh batch. Who knows? But if this is fresh, I'd rate this an 8 out of 10. I really like how this came out. Good move by improving your mozzarella sticks into fries, Burger King. Subscribe here for more fast food reviews, and I'll see you later. Peace out. Bye.